Good people, welcome back to Cursed Mining. First of all, thank you so much for being here and supporting the channel. We just surpassed 10,000 subscribers, so a perfect time to start struggling getting videos out, isn't it? That's why I wanted to check in. No, I'm not dead. I did not stop mining or leave crypto. On the opposite, actually. Never in my life have I been on chain as much or produced this much content than in the previous weeks and months, but unfortunately just not for the channel. As you may or may not know, I'm full-time crypto for some years now and work for different projects on a freelance basis. I love it, but crypto also never sleeps and burnout definitely is a thing. Without whining, I wanted to express that I let it get that far that ultimately my creativity and this channel suffered, making me not able to put out videos, which is a bit of a vicious circle, as for me, this channel has always been about creating something and ultimately is self-therapy. For a while already, even while still making regular videos, I've not been happy with the way the videos are. I don't want to make the 11th similar video of how much hash rate this GPU does or how much X earned in a month. We have many amazing mining YouTubers now that do these kind of videos way better and more consistent than me. And many of them just starting this or last year doing amazing jobs. So kudos to them. This does not mean I want to get away from mining or hardware videos, just that I need to find a different approach that makes me happy with what I'm putting out into the world, not just number 100 of the same kind of video. At the same time, I know that other content like say DeFi tutorials or interviews get way less views than any mining or hardware content here. I get it. While this channel was always open to anything crypto, tech and hardware has been the bulk of it, and indeed it has been how I created my foothold in crypto. But there is much more stuff to do out there on top of mining, not instead of mining. And that's why I don't want to stop with those kind of videos either. Be it interviews with different people in the industry or exploring a freaky crypto game on top of still building hardware that earns crypto, because that still is and always will be a passion of mine. So no, I'm not dead. Way more content coming, and no matter if hardware, interviews or tutorials. Also more physical events for 2022 planned. Let's see if the world situation makes it possible. Lastly, I want to say that I also want to give back. So I will be planning a live stream to celebrate the 10k subscriber mark, and we'll give away a bit of crypto and some goodies here. Honestly, there have been even some partnerships that unfortunately are still in the box, so the stream will be a way to remedy that. That's it. Thank you for tuning in and still supporting me on this journey, even though I've not been consistent recently. Believe me, this channel really is important to me and connected to my mental well-being, so it's something I definitely have to improve. I hope your crypto journey is going well. See you soon again with more content. Happy mining to each and every one of you, and bye!